Hi traders, how are you? Today I bring you a new binary options strategy that I have been using for a while and it's one of the best. For this strategy we will use the following indicators. Tricks. In period we put 7. In source we put close. In moving average we put EMA. In color we put water green on thick line. And here we take out the transparency so we can see the baseline. We also put thick line. It's a momentum oscillator. When the curve is up, it means that the price is in the overbought zone, and when the curve is down, it means that the price is in the oversold zone. Another indicator is random walk index. In period we leave 14. In color I'm going to put water green on thick line. On red on thick line. It's a trend indicator. It tells us if there is more bullish or bearish force. Friends, don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell if you don't want to miss any of my strategies. Buy. The water green line of the tricks indicator should be heading up. Look how the line goes up. In addition, the water green line of the random walk index indicator should also be heading up or already be up. Sell. The water green line of the tricks indicator should be heading downwards. Look how the line goes down. In addition, the red line of the random walk index indicator should start to go up or be already up. In conclusion, in the random walk index indicator, you have to see if the line that is above is the water green or the red one. If it's the water green, we buy. And if it is the red, we sell. And you also have to see where the tricks indicator is going. If it goes down, we sell. And if it goes up, we buy. We are going to use 1-minute candles or 30-second candles on an expiration time of 2 minutes. Let's apply the strategy. Buy. Okay, here are the conditions to make a buy. The water green line of the tricks indicator is going up, which is a clear buy signal. Also, the water green line of the random walk index indicator is up. This tells us that there is a strong upward force. Therefore, the price is going to rise. If I had entered at this point, it would have been better. I saw the opportunity a little late. but as long as the tricks indicator continues to head up, the trade can be made. I'm using 30-second candles, but if you want, you can use 1-minute candles. It's a great strategy to use in both normal and OTC market. Cool. Now you wouldn't be able to buy, because the tricks indicator is going to start going down. Sell. Here are the conditions to make a sell. See how the water green line of the tricks indicator is going down. In addition, the red line of the random walk index indicator is up, which indicates that there is a great downward force. In other words, the price will drop in 2 or 3 minutes. I forgot to tell you that the strategy works very well in sideways trends. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. I want everyone to win with this strategy because it's one of the best I have tried. Look what a beautiful candle. Spectacular. If you want to become profitable, here I leave you more videos with my best binary options strategies.